Hi, I'm Yasmine. I'm one of the teachers here at Dance World Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to create a ballet bun. Proper grooming teaches important lessons to the children, such as holding your head high, shoulders back, hair off your face, basic things which are great for improving posture, presentation, and most importantly, confidence. You can always spot a dancer when they walk into the room for these very reasons. Now, mums and dads, do not panic. I will go over this step by step slowly, and you can always pause the video and re-go over any of the steps. A hairbrush, a comb, 2 types of hairpins, first bobby pins and bun pins. Hair ties, make sure they are the same colour as your child's hair. Hairnets, hairspray or hair gel. And now we're ready to start. Maddie, would you like to turn around for me? You first want to start by grabbing your hairbrush and brushing the hair for any knots. You then want to grab your hairspray and lightly spray the hair. And then you want to grab your hairbrush and a hair tie to get ready to put it in a ponytail. Once you're happy with the placement of the ponytail, secure it with a hair tie. And if you need to, you can grab another hair tie to add more security. And now that we have a ponytail, we're ready to create the bun, bearing in mind that the ponytail needs to be secure as it will be the anchor for the bun. A classical ballet bun is not a top knot. You don't want to twist it really tightly and wrap it around, have it looking like this. You want to twist the ponytail, or if you're working with thinner hair, grab the comb and tease the ponytail lightly. And then twist it, and then you can begin wrapping it into a bun. You want to grab one of your bun pins to pin in by putting it into the bun, pulling away, and then pushing it back in. You need to make sure that the pins are secure, otherwise the bun will easily fall out. And then you can keep wrapping, making sure that it is flat as possible. And then you can grab another bun pin to secure the end pieces. Now you want to grab your hairnet to put over the bun. You can manipulate the shape of the bun once the hairnet is on. You want to make it as round and as flat like a pancake as possible. The key to a good ballet bun is having secure pins. And now you want to grab your hairspray or hair gel, depending on what you prefer, and spray the hair. And just bear in mind that there are a range of natural and organic products that you can use. And now you can grab a comb and just a normal bobby pin and pin any of the loose hairs. And now that you've finished the back, you want to check the front. Maddie, can you turn around for me? And then you can use your comb and the normal bobby pins to fix any bumps or loose hairs. And that is the finished look. Now, the more you practice, the easier it will get, I promise. And please do not hesitate to ask any of the staff at reception or your dance teacher. They will be more than willing to help. Thank you for being such a great helper today, Maddie.
You're welcome. Bye.